Welcome to LiveProcess e-learning for Emergency Manager. In this video, we'll discuss LiveProcess notifications and sending out communication to a group of contacts. Sending notifications from LiveProcess Emergency Manager is a quick and easy way to communicate to your organization. You have total control to select the types of devices that will receive your notification, as well as the ability to create your own custom response options. Notifications can be used to communicate during both routine and emergency situations. There are two ways to send a notification out of Emergency Manager. The first is using the Quick Links drop-down in the right-hand corner of your home screen and selecting Send a Notification. The second is to click on the Mobilize tab from your home screen and then select the Send a Notification button. Both options will take you to a blank notification where you'll see the three-step process to building out your message. First, type in your subject and the text of your message. Below the message box, you'll notice a checkbox to specify custom response options. By selecting this and typing out responses, you can give your recipients up to 5 custom response options to reply to this message. If you do not select the checkbox, the default response will be Confirm Receipt. Once you're satisfied with your message and responses, hit Next to select your recipients. On the left-hand side, you'll notice your facility's contact groups are listed. The first group, All Contacts, contains all contacts within your facility's LiveProcess database. The rest of the groups are listed alphabetically, and you can scroll through the groups using the arrow buttons at the bottom. If you know your group's name, you can search for them using the search bar. To select a group, simply check the box next to the group name, and you'll see the contacts populate in the box on the right-hand side. You can also add contacts in by name using the search bar next to the green plus sign. Just type in their name and then hit Enter with your keyboard to add them to the group. If more than one name comes up, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to highlight the correct name and then hit Enter on your keyboard to include them in the notification. A black bar will pop up under the search bar saying this contact has been added to the list. If you need to remove someone from the list, uncheck the box next to their name. Again, you can use the arrow buttons at the bottom of the screen to page through your selected contacts. Once you have your contact list ready, hit Next to move on to step 3. Here we'll determine which delivery devices to send this message to. The default is to send to all delivery devices in each person's contact record, including phone calls, text, emails, and pages. You can also target specific delivery devices by changing the option on the screen and then unchecking the devices you do not want targeted. For this example, I'm going to send the messages email and text only, so those will be the only checkboxes I leave checked. To send your notification, hit Send in the right-hand side of the screen, and then confirm you want to notify this number of people, in this example, 6 contacts, by selecting Yes. Your message has now been sent out, and you will automatically be taken to the notification summary report, which shows you who sent the message, when it was sent, what the message contained, and which contact groups were included. You can also see the contact list here. By selecting Show Detailed Status, we can see the delivery devices for each contact. For example, for Cheryl, we can see that she received both an email and a text message. And Judy received a text message and responded with Confirm Receipt. We can also filter based on name, delivery status, or response using the filter bars here. From the summary screen, we can also send a follow-up message by hitting Resend Notification. We can send it to all the same contacts, only the contacts who replied or only those who did not reply. This will take you back to step 1 of the notification screen, but will already contain your message and selected contacts, both of which can be edited before resending. Finally, from this screen, you can print a report by selecting Print and choosing which format you want to print it in. You can print it as a PDF, RTF, Word document, or CSV. You can also access previously sent notifications by clicking on the Mobilize tab and looking under Prior Communications. If you have any questions about notifications in LiveProcess or sending them out of Emergency Manager, please feel free to email us at support@liveprocess.com or give our customer support a call at 888-400-2673.